Hi, hello everyone. Hi guys. Now we'll discuss a short situation about the Great Britain pound and the silver. I want to show you technical picture why I decided to buy Great Britain pound on Friday. And this is not an example of how cool it was, but this is an example of what I want you to take into account when you trade. When I give you trading ideas in Trading Club Pro, or I give you trading ideas in my Telegram channel or here on YouTube, when I give you some level and I say like above this area you buy, under this area you sell, when I give you this kind of information, I want you to remember about the shadows on the bottom side, about the shadows from the upper side. So on Friday, we discussed level 129.30. And I told you that above this area, we buy Great Britain pound. So what you could see, price goes down and it touched 129.30 area. After that, they show you in the end of hour, they show you shadow on the bottom side. Also what you see next hour, and also you can see shadow on the bottom side. One more hour and you see shadow on the bottom side again. What's going on next? After that, price in like 4 hours goes up, and my target was 130.70, but they didn't reach this target and they gave you a correction. For now my target is still not closed, and I want you to say that my target is based also on a tendency line that you can see from here, from 29 of September, this tendency line. And you can see that price is trying to give you correction, which you use as one more point to enter market. So here on Friday we decided to buy, but after that you could see that price touched this 129.30 area, touched a couple of times. When I give you area from where to buy, please take into account the previous extremum under which you put your stop loss. Okay, so under this minimum you put your stop loss, and you take into account previous extremum, which is really close to current situation. So now I think that your price, your target 130.70 from current price is a good target. But when do you enter market? When do you go and buy this instrument? Look here. We go to MT4 and we take into account 15-minute chart above 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. When they use this level as a support, so when they break it and use this level 200 moving average as a support, after that you buy and hold your position to 130.70 area. Okay, so we use 1 hour chart and a technical picture that shows us an opportunity to go up. By the way, this is the area where I told you that under this area we sell, above this area we buy. So yeah, based on 1 hour chart technical picture, we still think that it's okay to go up and buy, but we need to take our trading decision on 15-minute chart. Okay, why I give you idea about silver? Because let me show you silver situation. Because technically here is a really beautiful trading idea. In my weekly review for Trading Club Pro and Trading Club, I told you that above 24.80 area we buy with the target 26.80. But when do you enter market? Like a beautiful one, a beautiful entry point. How do you find this beautiful entry point? We need tendency lines. These 24.80 area we found with the Fibonacci extension, and the target 26.80 area is also Fibonacci extension level. But what's next? We need different tendency lines. So if you go and watch the previous tendency line from the beginning of September, you will see how they broke it and give you a test right now. So do we enter market right now? Do we buy right now? We need to go intraday on 1 hour chart. We need to go on 5-minute chart, and only after that we buy or being really positive that they will give us a good profit. So you can see that price now is being on a tendency line, and the tendency line begins from October 8th. So this is like the first touch, second touch, and now here's the third touch. Do we have to buy right now? Does it mean that we have to buy? If you want to take a good trading decision, you need to go on lower price, like that. Yes, lower time frame. So you go and watch silver on 1 hour chart, on 30 minutes chart. Look here. This is the tendency. So price is touching this tendency. You go on 5-minute chart, for example. What you can see the previous tendency, the correction tendency. So this is the first reaction right here. This is the first reaction of this tendency. That's what I call it pips work, intraday work. You can buy from here. You take a little account of money of pips, and what is going on here? Price is touching this tendency, and after that they go down and touch previous tendency line again. So this is like a resistance, technical resistance, and only after they break this technical resistance, you're okay to buy and hold to your high target. But intraday, including a situation that we don't have a lot of news, and also we have America being on vacation today because of holidays, bank holidays. So what do we have? We have Fibonacci extension on 1-minute chart. Look, I'm on 1-minute chart right now, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, and I make an analysis on 1 hour chart, but after that I go intra 15-minute chart, and I'm trying to find this beautiful entry point. So okay, now we have Fibonacci extension, and the first target is 25.09, second target is 25.17, after that 25.23, and after that 25.31. So when they break the first target, you're okay to put your next target and your second target, so you're okay to buy right now. You check on 1-minute chart, you think that they broke it already, but you can see shadows on the upper side, and only when they sit on this level and get on 1-minute chart, they get the shadows on the bottom side. After that, you're okay to buy with the target 125.17. So you need to see these shadows on 1-minute chart from the bottom side, and after that you buy. So on 5-minute chart, there is no break yet, but this is intraday. They can give you this break like in a moment. But what you can do is check on 1-minute chart and go step by step. Intraday, your target is 25.30. After they reach 25.30, you go on 15-minute chart. By the way, you can see on 15-minute chart shadows from the bottom side. That helps you to understand that here is a buyer. Here is someone buying this instrument. If they are not showing you shadows on the bottom side, this is difficult. This is the moment when you can think like, oh, they probably will break this area. But if you see shadows on the bottom side, it gives you help to understand that here is a good buyer. What is bad about today's work that we have an American holiday, and this can ruin technical picture because there is no good buyer. So yeah, technically you have to work step by step, like I showed you just now. And when they break second target, you open long positions to third and fourth target. Okay, after that you go on 1 hour chart and you see how you just took this good beautiful movement, from the rebound from this tendency. Okay, I hope technically this is understandable for you, and I hope this is useful. So that's how you take decision when I show you area. Like this is an area to see a rebound, or this is area to see the break of some level. You go on 1 hour chart, you go on 15-minute chart and 1-minute chart, and step by step you check that the idea is still good, that you see a good seller or a good buyer that goes to our target. I hope this is all really understandable, and if you have questions, please ask under the video. I really want you to understand what I'm doing here and why I give you those really important levels, because I spend a lot of time trying to find all these levels, and after I find them, I give you thinking that you do know how to act. And this video is explaining you how to act after I give you important levels and I give you important targets. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Bye bye.